One of the consulting services that Ignite Selling offers is something we call a learning alignment process. This learning alignment process provides you as sales leaders three things. One, it provides you clarity and understanding around the critical sales goals you're trying to achieve in the next 12 months. Number two, what it provides you is the opportunity to identify and build 3 or 4 key sales strategies that you know will help you achieve your sales goals. And then finally, we work together to identify the critical on-the-job behaviors that your team must be proficient in to execute those sales strategies. With these 3 things identified, you've now created a path for success. This becomes a great communication tool for you and your team to ensure you know how you're going to achieve your sales goals in the next 12 months. Give us an opportunity to build a learning alignment matrix just for you. A tool that can bring you greater predictability about your sales results in the next 12 to 18 months.